need things like enzymes, probiotics, and other things that can help to reestablish a good, healthy gut environment. Some children simply lack the enzymes to digest food particles. And so sometimes that food particles can get into the blood, those undigested food particles can actually get into the bloodstream and actually go to the brain. Now there's supposed to be a barrier here, but this barrier doesn't always work. It's called the blood-brain barrier, BBB. But from what we've seen, there can be a lot of the continual damage as a result of all these chemicals and these bugs. By the way, bugs and viruses and bacteria also secrete some really bad toxins, so they can get into the blood and actually affect the brain. The BBB doesn't work as well. So once we've established that, the next step is also to heal the guts. So there might be produce anti-inflammatories to heal the walls of the gut so that they're not leaking. There's a term called leaky guts. Again, there are certain things we can do to help to improve and close up those holes and enable it to get back. Now, back to the brain. Once we've kind of like plugged this, again, this doesn't happen within a day or two. It could happen over a period of time, like 1 or 2 months. Once you've stopped these bad stuff from going up, the next thing that you can do, there are things that can help to remove heavy metals. There are things that can help to remove chemicals. And of course, the immune system. There's what is known as neuroinflammation. If you followed our last talks, you remember we talked about inflammation can happen to the arteries and to the blood vessels. Well, inflammation can also happen to the brain. The brain doesn't have any pain receptors, but it certainly can be affected by neuroinflammation, which is really caused by the immune system. Remember, I talked about it earlier that in my class on autism when I was a medical student, the main thing we were told was that autism is an autoimmune disorder. That in autism, the immune cells are attacking the body, especially attacking the gut and the brain.